What's up everyone? My name is Kim. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have a Mccart haul for you guys. Mccart is definitely one of my favorite nail brands. For those of you that don't know, I became an affiliate with Mccart about 3 weeks ago, and that was when I decided to make this order. I felt like, let me grab some stuff and really showcase what this brand can do for my subscribers. So if you've ever been curious, if you've ever wondered, definitely watch this video and see how cool some of their stuff is. So I have the stuff in this box, and I have two extra things that I had bought before, a couple weeks before this, but I just never used it, so you guys will get to see that too. So inside this box we have the blue polygel kit, their famous kit. This one did come a little bit roughed up, but hopefully what's inside is still okay. I also have this pastel gel nail polish set. I have a pink jelly gel nail polish set. This is some holographic top coat, and right here we have some nail rhinestone glue. I think this should be a glitter top coat. It doesn't say it in front. And this is a color changing polygel kit. The packaging I've never seen from Mccart before, but it is nice. I like the font of the logo. The two things I already had are this glitter gel nail polish set, as well as this Mccart dust collector. I got this dust collector actually months ago, but I was saving it for when I actually got into doing acrylics. First thing I opened up was this nail rhinestone glue. This rhinestone glue is my absolute favorite. I really needed a new one. I don't know if you guys saw my XXL kawaii nail vid, but I was using this off-brand glue. Not that there was anything wrong with it, but I really missed this Mccart glue. But basically inside you get an instruction manual and this squeezy tube of glue. There's also a set that comes with a pot, but this one works really well for me. Next thing I'm getting into, yes, is this glitter top coat. It did end up being the glitter top coat, even though I didn't say it in front. Inside you get again an instruction manual and you get the polish. So I want to tell you guys, the reason why I got a glitter top coat and a holographic top coat is because I thought it would be cool to compare the two. I want to see kind of what's the difference, what cool effects each of them do. But here in this holographic nail polish set, what you're getting is an instruction manual, you're getting the holographic top coat, and you're getting a base and regular top coat. Moving on now to this pastel gel nail polish set. I absolutely love the packaging. I always say this, but I feel like this packaging would make a really nice nail design. Inside you're getting again a instruction manual, and you are getting all the colors. You're also getting a base and top coat. So let's get into some swatches. You guys already know I have my pink swatch sticks here. I'm no longer getting these from Candy Coat. I now get them from Amazon. It's just way easier, and I will link that down below. So this first beautiful color is a 1052. This is 1051. $10.53. 1058, 1057, 1059, 1050, 1056, 1054, 'and finally 1055. And again, like my previous videos, please don't ask me why I don't ever do those in order. And here the colors are with a second coat of polish as well as some top coat. That first pinkish purpley color was just my absolute favorite. I think this set is really nice. Next, we are going to swatch their pink jelly gel nail polish set. I actually was searching for this set for a while. Well, I was waiting for it to get on Amazon. It's not on Amazon, it's on their website, and it is worth going to their website because this set is so cute. The first color we are swatching is 1014. This second color is 244. This is 1013. Ten, 12, 246, and 1011. And here those colors go all together. Of course, my pink loving self loves this set, but it is really pretty. So moving on now into the comparison, I start off by doing 2 coats of that 1013 color you guys saw in that last set that we just swatched. And I'm going to start off by using the holographic top coat. So you guys can see it's like full of glitter. I'm going to do one coat to start off. While that cures, I'm going to go in with the glitter top coat. So straight out of the bottle like this, I do see a lot of glitter, but I think with this top coat, it's to be expected. I don't know what I was expecting for the holographic one, but right off the bat, I felt like they looked really similar. I went ahead and did 2 coats of each. The left is the holographic side and the right is the glitter. So, I mean, I really feel like they look very, very similar. For some reason, I feel like the one on the right has more gold flecks, like little hints of gold in it, but for the most part, I feel like you don't have to have both of these top coats. I think as long as you have one, you will be able to get the desired effect that you are looking for. Moving on now to this glitter gel nail polish set. These colors are jelly, as you guys will see. They didn't put that in the title, but you guys will see these are definitely jellies, and they have the cutest glitter inside. So this kit comes with an instruction manual, as you guys saw, and this first swatch is 074. The next one is 075. Here we have 078. Zero seven nine, 080, and finally 081. Here they are all together. I think they are so cute. They would probably look much better on clear swatch sticks, but I will not switch from the pink. This is one of my favorite things to do. I just find it so therapeutic. I make sure that let me tell you, I take my swatches very seriously. Like, I make sure they're all top coated. I label all of them. I separate them based on hues. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I'm too lazy, but yeah. I think these colors look so good on this wheel together. Last thing I want to show you guys, well, not really last, second to last, but last nail product I want to show you guys is this nail dust collector. I've had this for about 2 months now. I just knew I was going to do a Mccart haul, so I was kind of holding off on opening it. I'm excited to use this more often because you guys, even with polygel, so much dust definitely accumulates. When you first open the box, you have the connection, so basically one side goes into your wall and the other side will plug into the dust collector itself. Pulling it out, I can appreciate how well it is packaged. Like, they have it reinforced from all sides. This is how you can tell how blind I am. Like, I thought that the instructions were outside of the plastic. But anyways, inside that is what you get. You get an instruction manual as we did with all the other Mccart products. I do like the chrome. I think it makes it look really cool, really sleek. So at the front we have the Mccart logo. If you turn it to the right, you have a dial here. I'm assuming that this will control how much dust you want it to collect. This is what it looks like from under it. It has a pull-out filter, and I have seen that they do sell replacements on Amazon. And this is just where you will plug in that cord to get it working. I'm not going to show you guys how loud it is this time, but I will definitely be using this in a later video, so look out for that. Last thing I want to show you guys, and this is the only thing in this video that I did not pay for myself, is this super cute thermos that Mccart sent me. I am so appreciative to them for that. I'm so thankful. I think it's super cute. And it's really nice of them. I hope you guys think it's cute too. The front says busy doing refills. So I'm sure you guys noticed I did not unbox the 2 polygel kits I got. I'm going to save those for 2 separate videos, so keep an eye out for that if you are interested. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate and thank each and every one of you, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget, my code is KimTheProduct15 if you saw something in this video that you really had to have. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.